not really that spicy, but it was still spicy. I just watched lots of mukbangs of spicy noodles and I don't know why. So let's show you two of them. Okay, very good. Your noodles are really spicy, guys. Like, but I'm good now because the cheese flavor really like shows. See, it says there Samyang. They make really spicy noodles, but I really taste the cheese, so it's not really that spicy.
It's like cheese noodles.
I'm just gonna use my fork. I don't want to use my chopsticks.
Don't drink your water yet. That's a challenge. Do not drink water.
And I got this dairy milk for dessert.
Hey, can I have some?
Okay, good. Oh my gosh. This looks really spicy, but it's not actually not, so I recommend you for buying it. So if you want to take a look. Ta-da! I don't want it to spill. Yeah, it's the only thing I can show you because I don't want to spill. Hey!
This is not spicy noodles.
Water. Oh my gosh.
Your water's already in.
Yeah, because this is just a small cup. I usually take cups that are really big.
Here you go. This is a big cup.
Someone already used that. I'm gonna try to use my chopsticks, even though it's really.
I know
really
how to.
soupy
I'm using my chopsticks. I know how to use them.
I really recommend this to buy this. It's not spicy, but don't buy size because it's so spicy. The first time I tried spicy noodles, I have a video of that. I was like, okay, it looks spicy, but I just ate like a big bite, and then it was like, wow! I was freaking out. I was like, fire was coming out of my mouth. So, I mean, I do recommend. It's pretty good, but it's just too spicy. I just wanted ice cream, peanut butter, and ice water.
Still doing the moves.
I taste the cheese. Oh my gosh.
Don't drink a lot.
Sorry if I drink a lot of water.
Do not drink a lot.
But that's the
of water.
problem. It's kind of spicy.
I'm almost done.
But my mom didn't cook this just for herself. I said, hey mom, can you cut me some of this? Because it's not really spicy. It's like, okay.
In school.
Not in school.
You want to?
I'll freak out.
You want to go in school? So,
Well,
Mama
yeah.
said, actually, I hope. Since I ate it.
It doesn't burn in my lips. It burns in my tongue. Now I use my chopsticks. So, I'm back because I need more water and I don't want to show it to the camera.
But it's really embarrassing now.
Look at the sound. I don't know if you can hear it, but
It's still a little bit smoky.
it's in my throat.
You're okay. Are you a doctor?
My mom added like extra cheese.
Oh my god. And then this one is not spicy.
I took a spicy bite.
Look at here. Just don't look at the things.
I think we're just gonna take one more bite.
No, you gotta eat it all.
No, I need to cook some for my mama.
Or our mama.
I didn't even eat the noodles.
And I could just rip them.
Yeah, if you're asking if that was really my laugh, yes. I have a weird laugh.
It's actually real open. I can eat some. It's okay.
My mom said that if you don't chew your food properly, you won't digest it.
Guys, look at that.
And it's, of course it's true. Give me some. You can have some. Wait.
Like your lips.
It's still in my throat. I want to try it the same.
Maybe that's a great idea.
Maybe it's not. Maybe it is. Oh my gosh. I recommend eating this when you have an empty tummy because you will just drown for the water. Okay. Let's try it out.
Be careful with your teeth. Does it taste good? Or taste weird? The question.
The chocolate. I just didn't bite it on the right time.
Oh no! Dun dun dun!
It looks like I didn't even like eat. Okay.
A deep breath first.
Sorry if it's noisy. It's just our TV. I'm so full, but this is just so good.
What do you like, the spicy noodles or the chocolate? What do you like, the spicy noodles or the chocolate?
Tastes weird if you summon the chocolate and the noodles.
Told you.
Sorry. Again, I'm sorry if I drink too much water. And if I don't look at the camera. It's just I look by myself because I look really ugly.
Oh my gosh, you got so many chocolate money.
Today was in school. It was pretty cool. It's an exam and we check exams. And I'm afraid I got a low score, but I don't know what the score is.
Wait,
Yeah, we checked the exams and the teacher didn't say. Well, we checked our exams, but the teacher didn't say the names.
What is it?
Spicy. Pretend.
What is
I take
it?
longer than ASMRs because I took too much.
Just need to
I like. That's good. Oh my. I just watched Baby Yasha. And I feel bad for the boys, but I think they're the ones who spilled the rock salt. That's Thanks again. You're too kind. Oh jeez. Where is my dad?
I think it's gonna rain.
Hopefully, because I will just like run to the rain because of the spiciness. How would I just like eat it like while it's raining?
Dairy milk makes you feel better. Oh my gosh, I got so many chocolate with me.
You, oh boss.
I eat a lot.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm done. Give me the chocolate again.
My daddy,
My daddy,
my lolo,
our daddy, Niceane.
gave us like a box of chocolate. And I already opened it because I'm so much happy. I'm so much about like diet goals. Mick. Oh no. Oh. Okay. One bottle. So I think this is just gonna less than 3 bites. So. And this is also taking too long. I'm talking too much. More than eating. I'm not. Because oh my gosh, look at the soup. Look at this.
Look at this chocolate.
You keep showing that.
What is the best, right?
Oh my gosh, I was about to tell something, but if my mom sees this, and here's the. Does he want it?
I like wash my face like 3 times now.
Why?
Because the chocolate keeps getting out. Is it still there? The spice?
Mataba sabi niya.
Just keep eating. You always talk.
I think it's gonna be my last bite. It's starting to get really not tasty.
You're not even sweating.
Of course not. It's not that spicy, but
She's sweating in her nose. Feel your nose. Feel your nose.
bye guys. Wait, I just eat chocolate first. Bye guys.